remember a painful memory. Some of them were abused, some of them were, some of them has death, some of them, how did you feel? Regret. I felt grief. Some of them who cannot, ano naman, because this is deep. An hour before, kasi ako, it started with me, sabi ko, I gave my experience, like for me, sa akin grocery, when my dad died, sabi ko, hawak ko yung grocery, nasa ambulance ako, na mga pera ko. Hawak ko yung grocery. Tapos that's why, yun, and I elaborated. Tapos, if, eto nga lang ang masakit pag director, kasi some of them doesn't have that pain, right? Ma'am, ganyan sila. Paano ulit namatay tatay niyo? Kasi, ganun, as in, sa akin talagang mabubuti. Yung, paano ulit natin? As in, I have to try again for them. Because, wala, mahuhulog. So, sometimes in the director, if you have to do that, in order for your actors to be able to perform, you have to do that. So, mahirap din ang director. Kasi sa akin kapag, okay? So, object memory, find an object that will make you recall. Okay? Next one. Okay. Find inspirations in movies, different things. This is from Panununlian in, you know, Lourdes Church, right? This was 2012 display. Typically, when you say nativity, di ba? Si Angel Gabriel, ganyan lang. Si Mother Mary, nakatulog lang. What if, yeah, like that, she's praying like that, not just leading, give her more emotions, give her backstory. So the Panunlian during that year, in fairness, with that year, proud ako dyan kasi we weren't able to go down agad for the mass because everybody were clapping and we couldn't go down. Feeling namin CCP kami. Kasi I was part of the cast as well. Kulang. Ganun. So, but with them, they were able to, not just like that, don't try, porket ako yung norm, try to experiment, try to do something else. That's where the choices comes in. So, it takes Angel Gabriel, because there are some pictures, right? There are some paintings na nakalugod sa Angel Gabriel, diba? Pero pag normal Panunlian, ganyan lang siya, right? If you've seen the nativity play, usually ganyan lang. Okay, nasa STC ako before, sa grade school. There's a villain, right? A live villain. Meron pa ba ng villain na? Nakunta niyo ba yun? Live villain? May play? Tapos yung angel sa pagitan sa lawn? Sa grade school? So yung angel sa nakikita, gano'n? Nakunta niyo ba yun? Wala. Wala na kayo nun? Yun. Yung panahon natin dito sa STC may gano'n. Pero it's just like that. Yung acting nila, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. So, give it life. Don't make it black and white. Make them live. Here, your Mother Mary was like more, she's agitated at first, but later on. So the transition was like, okay, I accept it. Yun, yung bravery niya. Okay, next one. This one. Okay. Here, okay, continue with, pag makeup niyo, make sure ganyan kakapal lang. Nanay-tingnan nyo pag ginagano ko yung mga nasa backstage. Ganyan kakapal. This is from a play, yeah, and move up. So that's from that part to this one. So I was able to direct a 4-hour play. That's a cast. Nakita niyo kanina. So iba't ibang age. It's a workshop, basically. It's a summer workshop. We started April, May, June weekends, July show, July 10, 2010. At Film Live Theater. There were like 70 cast and crew. The kids, may dalawang adult classes, may children, and may 9 to 12, with tweens. As a director, you have to know, this director, you have to know how to deal with the different actors. Hindi porket director ka, one size fits all. You have to know how to adjust. So with the kids who are really kids, medyo may mga like, one line, be like a train, one line everyone. Ganyan. Be like a train, one line. Pag twins, yan yung naninigaw talaga ako. Ang kumalit nyo! Ganyan. Pagdating yung adult na medyo gago, I would just talk to them normally. But yung isang adult na group na who has been with me for more than 10 years, tandaan nyo na kaya nyo. Ganun ako. Kasi, you know how to act. Just know your gut. That's it. Yun. Know how to adjust. Iba-iba yun. Kaya yun. Yan, ganyan ka ulit. This one, masama lang ko dito. Okay, this was a play we were supposed to do last year. So we had playwriting, directing, yeah. I think you know, some of you know Erin. You know Erin? You know her? Yeah, she's one of the directors. So we have one play, 6 directors, 6 playwrights, overall 70 and past. Each of the director have their specific co-directors po sila dyan. So Francesco, assistant director po sila. So the directing will come from me. The difference ng assistant director is the direction of Francesco will come from me. If they're absent, nakabito siya kung paano ko ginawa yung blocking. And then, they have to follow that. Here, kanya-kanya kami ng blocking. Anim kami lahat kami directors. This, it didn't push through because sabi namin, ang dami pang time. This was not like this one a culminating activity. This was just a project to train future leaders of the School of Quezon City. This is a leadership workshop to theater. And I'm proud to say, this one, AC, Angel, is kumbaga president ng student council or the speaker of the parliament. All of them are in the, are involved student government. Lahat sila. And they were, pag naging director Francesco, I wouldn't have done the play if it weren't for them. Because they were my directors. Sabi ka, nakatiwalaan sila. And they were able to direct the play based from what I gave. Pero they were able to put them together, even with or without me, they were able to put them together. That's how efficient it was. As directors, patapos na kami yan. Kaso naabutan kami ng finals. Kaya hopefully, we do the play. Kasi tapos na yung play eh. Tapos na yung play. Tapos na yung script. Tapos na. Now we have to do the direct. But this play, again, based on the directors, we have to respect each other when it comes to directing. Yes, anim kami. But we work together. We have one goal. We have different people handling. May kanya-kanya kami stage manager. But we actually work together and so directing kasi. If you're co-directing as well, you have to work together. Hindi kayo pwedeng one for you. Alright? I think that is the last one. So, yeah, that's it. Sorry. That's all I can do.
Thank you very much, Ms. Condangan, for that fruitful sharing. Ang dami niyo pong na-share. As we will implement our learnings into our culminating activity, some of us might have further questions or clarifications for our speaker. For those who do, kindly approach the mic in front and introduce yourself before asking your question. So, is there anyone that have questions?
Nasagot niyo na po lahat.
It's very fruitful.
Nasagot na mo lang naiintindihan.
No questions?
No questions, violent reactions, objections. Ano may objections? Joke lang.
Okay. Thank you to our guest speaker whose wisdom will surely guide us to the success of our play production. With that, we would like to invite Margaret Dizon of 12 Youths to kindly read the certificate and hand over the token of appreciation for our dear speaker as well as give her thank you message.
So, hello. Hello? Okay, so let's do Thanksgiving message muna naman. So I speak for everyone when I say that we have all had experiences with theater and production. But despite this, our knowledge about it remains small in comparison to the vast facets there are to the craft. Our activity with Miss Condangan today, however, has allowed us to widen our knowledge and understanding about production, and most of all, deepen our appreciation and love for arts and production. You have imparted with us invaluable knowledge and understanding on the technical aspects and skills, impartial, so that we'll be able to manage our own production. Your talk, Ms. Condangan, has grounded us into the core of what our production should be, which is a story that, as you've mentioned, is a reflection of reality and the truths of life through a creative, inspiring, and impactful presentation that will touch the lives of our audience. But most of all, in a world where creativity and art is threatened by the advances of technology and their irresponsible use of it, as well as the lack of respect, acknowledgement, and opportunities for creatives and artists, Ms. Condangan has reminded us to remain authentic and uphold a passion, love, and respect for the arts and, of course, production. So, on behalf of Humes GA, I'd like to extend my sincerest gratitude for your time, expertise, and wisdom that you have given to us despite your busy schedule. We feel your fiery dedication to teach us, and for that, we're certain that what you've taught us will surely be applied not only in our culminating activity, but also in our everyday lives and in our own fields of interests and passion. With that, allow me to present and read our certificate and give as well our small token that the class has prepared to show our appreciation. So the certificate reads, St. Teresa's College of Quezon City High School Department presents ang sertipiko ng pagpapahalaga na iginagawa kay Miss Precious Lee Condangan sa pagbabahagi ng kanyang natatanging kaalaman at kadalubhasaan. Bilang susing tagapagsalita sa Grade 12 Humes GA Culminating Activity na may temang Salamin Salarin, pagbasag sa karimulang nakapaloob sa ilusyon ng makapangyarihan upang matamo ang kamalayang panlipunan tungo sa malinaw na kinabukasan na iginawad sa ika-17 sa taong 2024 sa Sister Arceli Entertainment Hall, St. Teresa's College of Quezon City. Signed, Mrs. Alcabetas and Dr. Tan.
Documentation. Siyempre kasama ako. Ayun lahat. Isang setting sa mga daw or
Doon po sa taas. Pwede na ako. Hop na ba yan?